Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to conclude this chapter number 4, that is reproduction in animals. As we have learnt about reproduction and mammals and about animals that lay eggs, we have learnt up to about birds, fishes and reptiles. Today we will learn about amphibians. What are amphibians? Animals that live on land as well as in water are called amphibians. You have learnt about amphibians in your previous classes also. A frog is an amphibian. It also produces spawn of eggs similar to fishes. As we have learnt about fishes, mass of eggs of a fish or a frog is called spawn. It lay eggs in safe places in water. As we know, frogs lay eggs in water. The eggs of frog are covered with jelly. The development of a frog has many stages, as you can see in this picture also. This picture shows the life cycle of frog showing different stages of development. The eggs hatch into tadpoles. First, the egg hatch, and when the eggs hatch, the stage called tadpole, which look like little fishes. As you can see, it has a tail also, so it looks like a fish. After a few days, tadpoles develop legs and arms. As you can see, it has now legs and arms and grow into young frogs having tails, tadpole with hind and forelimbs. Now they look similar to their parents. In the next few days, the tail also disappears and an adult frog is formed. As you can see, young frog and after that adult frog on land. The adult frog lives on land and reproduces in water. As you know that frog can live in water as well as on land also. That is why they are called amphibian, and this is the life cycle of a frog. Eggs, after hatching, tadpole, then tadpole with hind limbs, tadpole with hind and forelimbs, then young frog, and after that adult frog. Right. Now let us learn about insects. All insects develop from eggs. Some insects like grasshopper and cockroach have 3 stages in their life cycle. Insects like housefly and butterfly have 4 stages in their life cycle. Students, remember that grasshopper and cockroach have 3 stages and housefly and butterfly have 4 stages in their life cycle. The 3 stages in the life cycle of a cockroach are egg, nymph and adult. The nymph is the baby cockroach that hatches from the egg. As you can see in this picture is showing life cycle of a cockroach, showing 3 stages of development. Adult cockroach lay eggs, and when the egg hatches, it becomes nymph. The nymph is the baby cockroach and hatches from the egg. It does not have wings. Nymph does not have any wings. As it grows, the old skin is shed off and a new one grows. When nymph grows, its old skin shed off means it fell off from the nymph's skin and a new one grows, and this process is called molting. Molting means shedding off the old skin and getting the new one. A nymph becomes an adult cockroach after many moltings. Many moltings means it has to remove its skin many times, then it will become an adult cockroach. There is one term that is called maggot. Knowledge desk, you can see the larva of a housefly is called a maggot. Now let us learn about life cycle of a butterfly. The 4 stages in the life cycle of a butterfly are egg, larva, pupa and adult. The young one which hatches from the egg is quite different from the adult. As you can see, this is the picture of life cycle of a butterfly showing 4 stages of development. Adult butterfly lay eggs on a leaf. Then the egg hatches into a caterpillar larva, and when it grows it becomes pupae, and then adult butterfly emerging from pupae, and after that it becomes adult butterfly. The young one which hatches from the egg is quite different from the adult. It looks like a worm and is called larva. The larva of butterfly is known as caterpillar. Students, remember the larva of the butterfly is known as caterpillar. It feeds on leaves and grows rapidly. It eats the leaf. After some time, it covers itself in a cocoon. Now it is called pupa. Finally, the cocoon bursts and the adult butterfly comes out. Insects do not look after their babies, as we have learned that insects do not look after their babies. Who look after their babies? Mammals. Mammals feed their babies, they clean their babies, they take care of their babies until they become mature or they can take care of themselves. But insects, they do not take care of their babies. Now we know that fishes, snakes and insects do not take care of their babies. Many of these young ones do not survive as they do not get proper protections, because they are not having any security, any protection. Many of the insects they do not survive, right? The young ones which survive help in continuing the generation. The young ones who manage to survive, they help in continuing the generation, means they again lay eggs, and the eggs hatches, and then the new insect. Now birds and mammals take care of their babies. Such animals have a large number of surviving young ones. So the animals who take care of their babies survive more than the animals who do not take care of their babies. So who take care of their babies? Birds and mammals take care of their babies, and insects do not take care of their babies. So students, I hope you have understand this chapter and all the topics we have covered up to, right? So now we will do the checkpoint which is given in your book. So students, keep learning, take care of yourself. We will discuss about next topic in our next class. Till then, bye bye.